Today I have come to South Norwalk, Connecticut, which is affectionately known as SONO. So let's explore and see what SONO has to offer. We came to Caffe Social for some breakfast brunch. They have their brunch actually every day, Monday to Friday and Saturday. I think they don't have it on Sundays, but this is right in downtown SONO, which is super nice. So if you're coming to maybe go shopping or go for a walk or spend a day here like I am, kind of exploring around, it's nice that it's right on Main Street. Or I think this is, oh yeah, it's Main Street. I literally can see the sign right there. The ambiance in here is wonderful. For a Monday, I feel like there's a good amount of people here kind of having breakfast. Right now, oh, this watch doesn't work. I think it's like 10:30. So I feel like that's pretty nice for a Monday. Also, I really like that they have some art on the walls where they took coffee cups and they're like all like little drawings. There's an Invader Zim one that I really love. That's a throwback for anyone who remembers that show. A couple Minions, like fun little decor pieces. And I saw some things on the wall over here that made me think that they might be owned by a Greek family or some people from Greek origin. So I ordered something that I would say hopefully represents some of the items on their menu that correlate with their suspected heritage. So let's see how it tastes. The first item that I got is a frappe. I just got normal plain. They had some other ones. Brian back here has a honey almond version. We know I will not be trying that. X no on the honey, but frappe is actually a Greek coffee drink. I was just looking at the history of it. Apparently, it was invented in Thessaloniki in 1957. But basically, my understanding is it's kind of like an iced coffee or like a frozen coffee, or if you remember that whipped coffee trend, the Delgana that was happening during the pandemic, similar to that. And all I have to say, it's delicious. So I got the breakfast gyro. I'm not sure particularly how to say it, but it has what appears to be kind of just like an omelet with tomatoes, green onion. There might be bell pepper in here, I'm not sure. Some feta, and then some gyro meat or gyro meat. I did ask what type of meat it was, and they said beef. They didn't offer any options for the types of meat, but it's just typical like thin sliced meat, and it's delicious. And this pita is incredible. Also, one of my favorite things they did for my and Brian's burrito, they put a little tomato on the toothpick. I just think it's fun. This is delicious. And again, it's got the Greek influence, which I think is really awesome. So I'm gonna enjoy breakfast and then continue exploring South Norwalk. So we just finished our breakfast, brunch, whatever have you. Overall, I thought it was pretty good. I really liked what I got. I definitely would get it again, but I will say that the omelets, for whatever reason, they were just more expensive. They were like in like the $20 range versus what we got, which were in like the $13 to $15 range. And I think the reason is because the omelets came with a ton of stuff. Like one came with like an avocado toast. The other ones maybe had like potatoes or something. It all looked good. The food kept coming out and we were like, the pancakes looked awesome. I feel like there's a ton to order there. However, when we were leaving, there was a wait. It is a Monday, like I already said. I could not believe how many people were coming in. It was totally packed. So I guess like go early if you're gonna stop there. I don't know. It was delicious. And now we're gonna head on to our activity of the day. So our activity is to go to the aquarium. We are at the Maritime Aquarium in South Norwalk because that is one of the main attractions of this quaint little town in New England. And there are a couple other things that I had pinned to maybe come back and do, but there are better activities for the summer. And the aquarium is inside. So I say, let's check it out. god, what a I love seals. They're such funny shapes. I just think they're little logs. Also, the way they swim is just so like smooth. I feel like, yeah, like they have like no backbone. Look at them go. So graceful. What are they doing over there? They're going on the wall. I can try. They come to, oh my god, the water is so warm. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, he's coming up. Oh my god. Oh, you're soft. Yeah, they're so soft. Oh, I think they like pets. They're probably used to it. Yeah, they like this side over there. Hi, buddies. Okay, I got one before. Oh my god, here they come. Here he comes. Are you coming? No. You coming up? Oh, hi. Hello, buddy. What a cutie. I don't think so. I haven't done a whole lot of touch. Oh my god. Oh, hello. Hello. You like your pets? Oh, look at their little mouths. I think it's so cool when they have touch ponds. It's just like, I don't know, they're all hanging out and you're gonna go actually feel a stingray. Oh my god, he's flapping. Another touch pond. These guys are much harder than the stingrays. Upside down jellies. They look like coral reefs. They're so crazy. I think if I saw them resting on the bottom of the ocean, I would not know they were jellyfish. Where is the octopus? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. I see its toy, which is absolutely adorable, so cute. But where is the octopus? Apparently they're very good at blending in. That's their whole thing. So apparently they breed the jellyfish here, which supposedly is a very time-consuming and intensive process. So much so that a lot of aquariums don't actually do it. So they breed a ton of jellyfish and then they supply them to other aquariums, which is fascinating because I didn't really know that this was the thing. But it's cool because, you know, it keeps the species alive and allows people like us to come and visit and learn about them and see creatures that we would not have seen otherwise. I just think it's cool that they, you know, aquariums and zoos in general, they all do a lot of conservation work. So pretty awesome. Oh, God. You guys have a good one. You can see them. You can see them all right in there. So this is their breeding ground, which is really cool that you can literally see the work that they're doing right here in the exhibit. Oh, what are we doing here? That's cool. Apparently an adult jelly is called a medusa. One can guess that that is because of the appearance of medusa. And I just, frankly, I love that. That is wonderful knowledge that I've learned today. Do the jellyfish. That's so cool. You would. So graceful. Poof. Poof. The turtles are so cute. Look at them move. This is a surprise. They were the tiniest little cute little foxes. They're called phoenix foxes? Yeah, phoenix foxes. I mean, come on, look at that bundle of joy. Oh my god, his ears. And he has a little friend. Wait, we'll show you. Hold on. Look at the little friend. Come on, those ears. He just wants pets.
Yeah, 3 times Joe.
Oh my god.
Look how little it is.
So cute. Oh my goodness. American bullfrog too. The turtle. Look at him. He's so cute. The seal's upstairs. Look at him. He's so graceful. Oh, that's so cool. Is that a Christmas tree? Festive. He's chilling. I feel like they're playing hide and go seek. Thoughts? Apparently his name is Feisty and he's one of the... Yeah! Oh my god. And apparently he's one of their larger sea lions or seals? I've been calling them seals, but are they?
These are seals.
They're seals, yeah. Well, his coat is absolutely beautiful and he is just posing for us today. So I hope he enjoys his nap. We found the sea turtles and I have a fun little anecdote about my experience with sea turtles. At a past life, I went to Costa Rica for a week and did some conservation work. And during that was about preserving sea turtles because when they give birth, they actually bury their eggs and they bury like decoy piles so that way predators don't come and steal their eggs because it's a big problem. And then when the baby turtles or sea turtles finally hatch, they actually just crawl instinctively into the ocean and they don't really reunite with the mother unless it's like a happenstance. So my job during that week was to go and help protect the sea turtles' eggs and help make sure that they are able to be preserved so they can reach into the ocean because they're going extinct, which is so sad. And I actually saw a gigantic sea turtle give birth. It was amazing. So that's my fun little anecdote about sea turtles, and yeah, appreciate them. They're beautiful creatures, and they make it in the ocean primarily by themselves. Look at them! Come on, surf's up, dude! Oh no, that's the wall.
Say hello.
He was saying hello. Oh my gosh.
It was like hit into the wall.
Oh. They got funky teeth.
This guy?
Look at
the
this.
one to the teeth, right? What is one?
Oh my god, he's got like one front tooth. You're grown up. I think that sharks' eyes are always so freaky, but apparently if you're getting bit by a shark, if you have the forethought to punch in the eye, supposedly it's an automatic release. Don't quote me if you get bit by a shark though. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. That's all my jaws. Oh my god, look at him. Where'd he go? We just finished up at the aquarium and I wanted to give you a little bit of a rundown. So our tickets were, I believe, around like $31 each. They do have your typical discounts for seniors and kids, and I think anyone under 3, I believe, is free. If you're local, it's one of those places that if you're gonna come more than like maybe like 2 or 3 times a year, a membership probably makes sense. It was awesome. It was just like a nice, quaint afternoon, and it definitely is one of those places that will get packed, especially on rainy days. I think a big pro of stopping here, young or old, personally, I think that going to museums, aquariums, zoos, all those kinds of things, super fun to learn, you know, for any age. But one thing that's really cool is they have a good amount of touch ponds. So we did the stingray one, which also had some sharks in it. And then we saw the jellyfish one. I didn't get to touch any jellyfish, but they also had a sturgeon one, which, fun fact, I feel like I might have known this in the past, but sturgeon actually produce caviar. And I definitely have not touched a sturgeon before, and that one was pretty cool. It had like more of like a rough texture to it. And I think there was another touch pond I'm forgetting about, but there were a good amount. Oh, there was one that was like, I think crustaceans or like crabs or something that I didn't do. But very fun, nice day. And now I'm sitting directly across from the aquarium because you can come outside and have lunch. I would again imagine it might get a little busy on a nice warm day, but there's a good amount of seating and picnic benches and you can have a beautiful view of the water. But one last thing that I learned about the aquarium. Previously, for many, many years, they had the largest IMAX in the country, like an IMAX theater. And I'm pretty sure they would even show some movies outside of like what you would find at an aquarium from time to time. The thing is, there was a bit of a controversy because they needed to build a bridge. So there was like a federal like jurisdiction or mandate for them to close the theater so they could build a bridge. Such a bummer, such a bummer. So now they just have a regular 4D theater, no IMAX anymore, but you can still come and visit if you're spending the day in South Norwalk, like me. Hi, Swan. Oh, he's all by himself. Where are your friends, buddy? You want to come inside? The aquarium. This is the SONO Switch Tower Museum. We stumbled across it walking along Washington Street, and unfortunately it doesn't open until May. So SONO, I think I will be back because according to the internet, this seems super cool. Apparently you can learn about all of the rail switching and the train station's right there. So I think it would be a fun time. We took a walk down Washington Street and we decided to stop right before the bridge because we came to Eco Evolution, which is a coffee shop, cafe, and eco store with a little bit of like antique secondhand goods in the back. Super fun, and it's wonderful if you want to hang out while you're in SONO, maybe read a book, do some work, and if you're anything like me, order the seasonal maple latte. And I also got a blueberry scone. I'm quite the scone gal. I love scones. Delicious. I think that's it. We're gonna take a walk around and see what goods they have. So we are at the Sheffield Island Lighthouse Ferry, which was another thing that I had put a little pin in potentially doing in SONO, but it doesn't start until May. So I think I'll be back because apparently you can take the ferry over to an adorable little island, maybe have a picnic perhaps. Comment below if you want to see that in a future video. However, I enjoyed my day in SONO, and right over here was right along where we went to have some coffee, walk the cute strip. It's Washington Street, and then there's this bridge right here. Underneath, you can kind of see the water that the ferry would take you out to. Just an adorable, quaint town. I enjoyed my day here. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me, and I'll see you again soon.